All right, here we go. Silver is finally making a move. Is this the breakout? Hey guys, as you know, I've been talking about silver here for the past few weeks, and it's finally making a move. Now, whether this is the breakout or not, I don't know. I remain long silver. I'm long primarily with silver futures right now. As I promised, I'd keep you updated on this. So here's what's going on. This is the SLV ETF. And this is what we have been discussing here as far as the potential breakout that we've been watching. This is essentially what it looks like. You can see the breakout attempt here that we are now seeing in silver. It's been chopping back and forth. Having said that, until it actually breaks out, it's not broken out, right? So that remains the problem that we're seeing with silver, but it's making a pretty promising move so far today. Of course, this may be obsolete by the time the day is over. However, the reason why I think this has more credence is, I'll show you in a second, is because of the dollar. But just so you know, even silver junior miners, which is extremely speculative stuff, even these things are coming back to a spot where, at least technically, they're starting to get to the point where one might start calling for breakouts. It's been a pretty big run in the short term. As I'm recording this, we're up like 7% on the day. What gives me more confidence in this move in silver, though, this time, is that it's happening on the back of the dollar index going down, because it's not actually just silver that's acting well. It's also gold and other commodities. And this is the dollar. So the dollar is essentially here right now, looking like it wants to get back to maybe ultimately break below the April lows, very unlike the stock market. We'll see if the stock market wakes up at some point. But this inverse relationship between gold and the dollar, and in this case also silver and the dollar, is why I think this breakout here in silver could have more legs. So dollar down, and the SLV ETF, or silver futures or whatever, up. How high can it go? Look, this thing is volatile, so I'm just going to take it at sort of 5 to 10% at a time. 5% would get you to like 33, and we'll take it sort of 5% at a time like that. So that's an update here. Hope it helps, and we'll see you again soon.